Today I'm just going to be showing you really quickly how to turn your regular bucket into a bucket that is ready to be featured in a container garden. So if you're looking for how to easily poke holes in the bottom of buckets, keep watching. I got you. You throw on a mask for this because we're going to be burning plastic, which can be hazardous. So once you have your mask on, grab your bucket. You're going to need a screwdriver, just anyone that you have around the house, and a blowtorch or some form of fire. And then you can just go ahead and easily poke holes. So I usually do about 5 to 6. There you have it. And then to really drive it home, poke them through the inside as well. This makes the holes bigger, so you have water drainage for your plants. And I got this bucket for free by calling up the local ice cream shop and asking if they have any. So you never know, you can find a lot of buckets for free. Just call some local restaurants and start your container garden. If you enjoyed this video or found any of this useful, please throw me a thumbs up. It helps my channel more than you know. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, it's a free way to support small YouTubers. If you'd like to see the progress of my garden, please subscribe and check out my other videos. I really appreciate any and all support, and I wish you nothing but luck in, transforming your buckets, hopefully to start another container garden. Let me know what you're using your buckets with holes in them for if it's not a container garden. Okay, thanks guys. Peace and love.